For weeks now, frontline healthcare workers have been protesting nationwide over shortages of personal protective equipment for doctors and nurses amid COVID-19. A protest took place here in the Bronx in front of Montefiore Medical Center, urging the federal government for PPE now.
We need PPEs, and we need PPEs now in order to protect ourselves, to protect the patients and our families.
We're running short, and we need our healthcare workers to be able to do the job effectively and safely.
A Montefiore nurse took to social media after feeling she was exposed to COVID-19. She is now urging that the incoming protective equipment also be properly sized. Montefiore did not immediately respond to our request for comments.
I observed nurses with very small faces wearing a very large N95 mask, and I saw gaps. Those masks need to be like almost sealed into your face so that nothing can come in and out. It's important for me to take precaution in order to protect my coworkers, in order to protect anybody that I may be in contact with, thinking that I'm COVID negative, when in fact I was directly exposed. I didn't have a mask that fit me appropriately, so there is a possibility, and I don't want to take any chances.
Another licensed practical nurse who works out of a facility in New Jersey and prefers to remain anonymous tested positive for COVID-19. She feels that the lack of PPE is more common in private facilities versus city hospitals, and like many other healthcare workers, she fears returning to work after contracting the virus.
If you were like a private facility or a smaller facility, the equipment wasn't ready available right away. Like, I know now that they have everything, but in the beginning, once the quarantine started, we were underprepared. We didn't have enough equipment, and this is pretty much why most of the nurses in the beginning got sick. The fact that I'm scared to go back to work kind of questions if, like, this is really what I want to do anymore, only because I fear for my children, not for myself. I feel like it'd be selfish for me to say that I don't want to go back to work because I'm scared to die, because that's not what it is. I'm scared to bring something back to my family.
Reporting for BronxNet, Sanji Lopez.